Hello guys, welcome back to ExcelSheet. In this video, I will show you how to round off numbers in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. First, open your Excel workbook that contains the numbers you want to round off. For example, I have this data that needs to be rounded off and I want this one to be rounded off. So I'm going to use the round off function. Just click on the next row or where you want the round off data to appear and type an equal sign. Then write round off, put a bracket and select the number, then simply put a comma. And here you will have to write down the digits that will be shown after the points. I want to 2-digit after point, so if I write 2 and close parenthesis and press enter. Take a look at here, the data has been rounded up. That's it. Thanks for watching our videos. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelSheet. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.